Okay, I rewound one of the secondaries. So this is the way this goes on there. And you better have the surfaces very flat. So I'm going to take all of this wind off and surface this down nice and flat, and then I'll go over all of this, get all that stupid black sand off, and rewind them. I'll need to razor off the varnish on each wire, of course, for the connecting ends. And might as well show you my shunt bars. I cut these by hand. Just regular 22 gauge steel you can get at Home Depot. And then I also put varnish. I got kind of a high temperature varnish, and I varnished the faces of each side of each of these, so there's kind of a varnish in between. So yeah, pretty horrible, huh? So that's about it. Very short video here.